This is your laptop. Open your Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. Simply open Google. I already told you now. Simply type unlimited education. Here is the website unlimitededucation.in. Just open this and you will see this type of interface. Okay, just click here metro exam psycho test. Okay, if you have taken the course from app, I have switched all the students to website. You have to practice from here, from this website and on laptop. If you are not practicing, then simply do WhatsApp message at this number. I will give the access. If you have taken course from this website, then well and good. Just practice for test series. Okay. Here 3 full test is there. Till your final exam date, almost 10 full test will come. More than 100 sectional test will come. Okay. Right now 10 memory test is there, 30 personality test is there, 3 figure formation test is there, है ना, 3 concentration test is there and some embedded figure test is there. Okay, click on PDF. Remember one thing, here if you click on free videos, then videos will come. Click on PDF. If you click on PDF, then machine test practice page will open. Here one link is there, just click on that link and start your practicing. Clear? All of you have to come at this platform for practicing. This is a single platform in India. Just when you click on unlock now, this type of subscription is there. Just apply psycho test. Your price will reduce to 1149. Let me show you how machine test works. Click here, read now. This type of page will open. Just click the given link. If you click on the given link, then machine test will come. Just click on okay. Now here 4 color I have given because in latest pattern in machine test they are asking about 4 color. In previous exam pattern they were asking for 3 color. So don't think about 3 color or 4 color, all are simple. In final exam you have to press hold, you have to press and you have to hold L button. Okay, suddenly a color will come on the screen, then you have to release that L button and press related with that color. Okay, I have given to you G for green. I have given to you that G for green, R for red, Y for yellow, B for blue. But it doesn't mean that in final exam they will ask the same. They will simply cut and paste a sticker color. Suppose a red color sticker is there, then red color sticker they will affix not on R button, on Z button. Clear? 4 color sticker they will fix on different button. In keyboard you will see the color sticker. Clear? Now you have to use one hand and one finger only. I have made a lecture. I will simply assign in website or you can simply watch from my YouTube channel. You have to press and hold L button. Now red color will come on the screen, then release L button and press red button. Red button means at in which button red sticker is there. Okay, you have released your finger and pressed your red button. Now immediately you have to return and press and hold L button. Suddenly on a screen, suppose yellow color will come, Now just release and press yellow, then come to the original button. When you release, press the color, come to the original. This is your response time. Okay. After seeing the color, you release your finger, press that color. Now again come to the original button. This is your response time. This thing you have to do as early as you can. Clear? So you have to practice about this. So just give 10, 15, 20, 25 times practice at here. I am showing you how it works. See, blue is there, press blue, come to L and hold. Okay, press green, come to L and hold. Press green, come to original and hold. Press blue, come to L. Press G, come to L. Like this you have to practice. Actually in this machine test you are practicing for use of one hand and one finger, how much speed you are doing. Okay, this is the main thing. Now see some important point. Pen and paper you won't get. Somebody asked me in exam like figure formation test or embedded figure test, suppose you want to draw and check, for that pen and paper you won't get. Clear? Remember one thing, pen and paper you won't get. You have to practice, mainly for time management. Actually in psycho test only time management is there. Don't try to watch more and more videos. Just do the practice. You know how to solve observation test. Simply its another name is concentration test. You just have to find out the different figure. Okay, just see one related video and know the pattern. Yeah, 5 minutes will be given for 30 questions. This is the pattern. 4 into 4 matrix will be there. Total 6 options will be there. Okay, nothing else. Only you have to do the practice. I have given 8 attempts for sectional test and 3 attempts for full test. I have combined the full test with the help of sectional test. It means that one observation test you practice 11 times. Okay, suppose I am giving you 15 observation test, then 15 into 11, 165 times you are practicing for single observation test. Same way like you are practicing for another section also. In the market no any book is available for metro exam psycho test. Clear? And no any super quality or you can say fresh content is available. Okay, Unlimited Education is a single platform where you get super quality content, fresh content and final exam like interface. Let me show you one test related with figure formation test or embedded figure test. See, this is embedded figure test. If you click on start now button, then your test will be start. This type of instruction page will come in your final exam. Time will be for 5 minutes and you don't have to do anything. You can't do anything for 5 minutes. You just have to wait. So during this 5 minutes, just read the instruction carefully. Okay. After 5 minutes, I have given skip button because you are practicing at home, so don't waste your time. Just skip and practice for main section. So skip here. See, this type of content you can't get anywhere in India. And same pattern exam will come in your final exam. Mouse scroll button won't work. Okay. Time management is there. You have to press mouse left click, scroll down, and you have to solve. Okay. Time taking test is this. Now let me show you one observation test, and same type of test will come in your final exam. So you have to do the practice more and more. Suppose 5 observation test till now I have given. You will be given only 5 minutes and you have to solve 30 questions. Okay, and observation test is something different and tough. In this test you can't do anything. You just have to practice. Try to score at least 25. Okay, try to score at least 25. In 20 plus you are safe. I am writing here. In first section, that is memory test. In this section there are 24 questions. Now try to score 18 plus. Second test is your figure formation test. In this section there are 25 questions. Try to score 20 plus. Okay, because you have to score above than average score, then you will easily selected in psycho test. If your score is below the average score, then you will disqualify. Okay, because T-score formula is there and this formula is based upon average score. Okay, in third, concentration test is there. In this particular section you have to score at least 24 plus, 25 plus, because everyone is practicing for the best. Okay, then you have to be the best than your friend. Now fourth section is your embedded figure test. This is also known as field independence test, embedded figure test. In this section, out of 25 questions you have to score at least 19 plus, 20 plus. See, in personality test, don't judge on the basis of any test series score or any teacher's idea. Remember one thing, if anyone is telling that this is the answer for this question, then this is his thinking. You have to give the answer for personality test on the basis of your thinking. I have made 1 or 2 videos, just see that video, okay, clearly, and try to understand. In personality test only one line is important, that you don't have to show dual personality. Only single line is important, that you don't have to show dual personality. If you show dual personality, then you will be disqualified on the basis of T-score in personality test. G section is there, Q section is there. Somebody told you too much about personality test, rather than discussing about other sections, discussing about exam like interface. They don't have, they only give suggestion you to the personality test. They will make a hype for personality test. Okay, simply one line, last and important line is that don't show the dual nature. Okay, I will make one dedicated video on personality test so that you will easily understand. Simply one thing here, you see that 2 sections are there on the basis of T-score in personality test, and how much positive you are, how much negative you are. How is your personality? On the basis of your personality, two types of T-score is there. So if you want to pass the personality test, simply do one thing, don't show the dual personality. 15 minutes is there, 36 questions you will get. Just read all 36 questions in first 3 to 4 minutes. Just read all 36 questions in just 3 to 4 minutes and try to find out if there are some meaning question is there, सेम मीनिंग क्वेश्चन. जैसे कि मैं कभी कभी अपने हिंदी में बताता हूँ स्टूडेंट को कि क्या आपको स्टेशन मास्टर का जॉब करना पसंद है? वुड यू लाइक टू डू द जॉब फॉर स्टेशन मास्टर? आपने बोला यस. ओके, सपोज इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, यू हैव आंसर्ड यस, you would like to do the job for station master. अब आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 में कहीं पे मिला कि क्या आपको रात में जगना अच्छा लगता है? Would you like to be awake a whole night? Then you told no. क्या आपको रात में जगना अच्छा लगता है? आपने क्या बोला? नहीं. तो ये दिस इज ड्यूअल पर्सनैलिटी. यू हैव टू नो ना, स्टेशन मास्टर जॉब जो है वो 24 आवर्स का जॉब है. उसमें कभी आपको डे टाइम शेड्यूल होगा, कभी आपको नाइट टाइम शेड्यूल होगा. तो एक तरफ आप कह रहे हो कि स्टेशन मास्टर बनना मेरा सपना है, स्टेशन मास्टर का जॉब मैं पसंद करता हूँ, स्टेशन मास्टर का जॉब मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैं करूँगा. और दूसरी तरफ आप कह रहे हो कि नहीं, मैं रात में जगना पसंद नहीं करता हूँ. जब आप रात में जगना पसंद ही नहीं करते हो तो फिर रात में स्टेशन मास्टर का जॉब आप कैसे करोगे? तो ये आपको ड्यूअल पर्सनैलिटी शो करता है ना. तो इसमें एक ही चीज कर सकते हैं कि स्टार्टिंग का 4 to 5 मिनट में आप ऑल 36 क्वेश्चंस को रीड करो और ट्राई करो फाइंड आउट करने का कि कौन कौन सा क्वेश्चन है ना जो सेम मीनिंग देता है. उस क्वेश्चन का आप सेम आंसर कर दो, सिंपल, एक दूसरे से रिलेट करके सेम आंसर कर दो. और वो जो सेम आंसर होगा वो आपके थिंकिंग के हिसाब से होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर ऑलवेज राइट है तो नेवर गलत है. नेवर भी सही है, लेकिन अगर नेवर किए हो किसी में तो उसी से रिलेटेड आंसर दूसरे में भी होना चाहिए. ये आपका थिंकिंग है ना, आपका पर्सनैलिटी है कि आपको मूवी देखना अच्छा लगता है, हाँ, नहीं अच्छा लगता तो नहीं, है ना. तो अगर मुझे मूवी देखना अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो सपोज करो आपको कोई एक्टर पसंद, में बोलूँगा नहीं. तो इस तरह से आपको इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. वन डेडिकेटेड लेक्चर विल कम अबाउट पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट. और इतना सा को ही बताने के लिए लोग 4 लेक्चर 5 लेक्चर लेकर एक हाइप बनाते हैं कि पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट, पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट, पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट. दे विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट टेस्ट इंटरफेस, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, प्रैक्टिस ऑन फाइनल एग्जाम लाइक इंटरफेस. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू come to this website, enroll in the test series and practice according to final exam like interface. One thing I want to show you again. See, right now I am on GMRC official website, and for SSC TO post, actually this exam is over now. For SSC TO post they have given the click here for mock psychometric test. Okay, same link you will get for BMRCL on 16th November. Same link, remember my point, same link. Only difference is that Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited is written here na, and on 16th November BMRCL will be written here. Okay, now just click on sign in button and see this type of interface will come. Okay, click on next button. I am ready to begin. Your first section is memory test, that is railway track memory. Here I am doing a scroll button, and a scroll button works, but remember in final exam a scroll button won't work. Clear? This is just like a demo. Here this is just like a demo. Here number of questions and time allotment is not real. Okay, now see 5 minute time is running, you can't do anything. you can't do anything, neither submit nor skip. Now you have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, after that you will go to intelligence test, that is figure formation test. After that you will go to concentration test. After that field independence test, or after that personality test. You are preparing for BMRCL, but language is there in Hindi and English only. This is fixed. In psycho test only two languages is there, one is Hindi and one is English. No Tamil, no Telugu, no Bengali, no Marathi, only two languages is there, one is Hindi and one is English. Clear? So you follow English according to your convenient. And in personality test I am going to show you first full test I have given free. So all of you come at this website and at least try to attempt full test. Okay, and if you like, then you can enroll the course and start your practicing for 7 days continuously. In personality test will come like this. I am going to show you. See, both language will come together on the screen, left side in English, right side in Hindi. Okay, in this way. That's why I am telling now, unlimited education is single platform where you will get just like final exam pattern. In personality test, solution is also given up to test 20, test 1 to 20, solution is also given. So try to see each and every question's explanation. Okay, now hope for the best for your bright future. Happy Diwali to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.